Why do 75% of people sneeze when looking at the sun? Because some brains pop a reflex called the photic sneeze. Suddenly you're a tiny bioweapon. Let me explain. A sneeze launches 100,000 microscopic droplets at up to 100 mAh. Tiny droplets float like aerosols. Big ones splat on surfaces. Inside those droplets, saliva mucus, any microbes you're carrying. Even after seconds, infectious particles can linger and travel farther than you think. So next time, elbow or tissue mask if you're sick, wash your hands. Science. Disgusting. Fast. Oddly fascinating.